I have my mother's eyes, so she tells me, and a lot of people say I look just like her. Most of us get physical and personality traits from our parents. Some we're more grateful for than others, but does that mean we get their health problems too? So if my mum had breast cancer, would I get it too, no matter how healthy I was? The short answer is no. In fact, 7 out of 10 women who have breast cancer have no family history of it. But you can get a gene from your mum or your dad that means you're more likely to get it. I've heard it described as a loaded gun. The genes that you get from your parent is the gun, and things like bad diet and lack of exercise, that's what can pull the trigger.
The reason we're here today in this lab is that this is where we provide the national service for looking at 2 genes, one called BRCA1, one called BRCA2, and a small number of other genes. If there is a mutated BRCA1 or BRCA2 gene in your family, the risk is very high. The risk somewhere around about 70–80% for breast cancer for women, and around, depending which gene it is, somewhere up to 10–50% risk of getting ovarian cancer. So that is a very high risk. When I was doing my training as a geneticist, my predecessor, Professor Nivahaitis, led a team that found a very large family who had an alteration in BRCA1, and the samples from that family were instrumental in the worldwide effort that led to the discovery of the gene BRCA1. What is changing now is that we're able to offer that test to more and more women. And we started offering it to women where there was at least a 25% chance that we would find an abnormality in one of those genes. And we're now able to offer that test to women where there's a 10% chance. And with the First Minister's announcement of increased funding for genetics, we're going to be able to offer the test to every woman diagnosed with breast cancer under 40 going forward. What's happening in the University of Aberdeen now is we've got our MRI scientists are developing better ways of looking for early signs of cancer, which could in the long run make a difference. And we're looking also at lifestyle interventions that may help women to alter their risks going forwards.